What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here for another episode of Franklin Stories. Guys, Franklin's story is just nice, so I have to continue to them. As you can see, me in one different location, so I get a new house. After I do some job for Lester where he feel sorry for me and buy my house on top of the hill. So I have to live with my dirty auntie, my dirty foot auntie anymore. So before you do anything, guys, please leave a like on the video and subscribe around here if you're new. Okay, and please hit the notification bell to let you know when we post a new video, which is every day. So since we get the house, the first time this me actually I got in at the house, but because I get it, but I never go in it. So I could go in it and see what I go on. Let's go. Big house, phone. Watch ya, phone. Watch ya. Ready to play? Where ready? Lock it up. Ready there. Table. Me no want to see no chupa. Where ready there, my youth? Where there? Fan. Watch ya. Watch ya. Whoa. Hold on. I want to let my dog there. Wait. I want this step on wall. Oi. The water run. Over me camp. Watch ya. One of the box here. Oh, yo. Look at me sink clean. No dirty plate. No dirty plate. Yo, me think loud, dog. Don't walk in that glass, brother. Oh, pan the balcony. The balcony.
Bobby, to me have this thing, where you call it? Balcony? Balcony. I have this thing, my people. Please see with me. Balcony. Yeah, check out my balcony.
Watch your swimming pool. Jump off. Me can't work for. Yo! Swimming pool. Come downstairs. As someone come downstairs and them out. Watch out, me have bed. Me not have to sleep in my dirty room. I'm dirty and I'm like, watch out, medicate. Like it. Yo! My thing loud. Watch out, but imagine it, G. You see it? All I get them when me look, them never want me. That's where you lock can't go in it, alright? All I get them when me look never want me. Or no China want me, no. China want me, no. What? Who lock all the doors in the house? Me no want to lock door in here, man. What me do them lock up? Lock. What? Lock. No, sir. What me key them there? So them buy house, give me. I don't give me that. Hold on there. Wait. Alright. Hold on. Go down here, sir. I never come in a while ago. Whoa, you want my TV there from my wall? What my TV there? Oh, run a TV there. Yo, all store. Yo, acha. TV. Come off, I set in your shoes, idiot, nasty boy. Where you come from, man? That not make it round here. Hold on. I'm concerned about somebody. Watch out, may have binoculars.
Something alright?
Telescope. Yeah, I can't spy on the rich neighbor, them. Make yourself. Girl? Make yourself not do nothing nasty over there, no, because I'm going to spy on and catch you in the day. Yo. People, this is what happened one time. People, when I used to, good thing. Chop! Hold on. Chop. Jump over. Go over there now. Go check Chop. Yo, Chop, from nothing to something with that, brother. I'm gonna go check Chop. Chop, what go on, G? Chop. Close. Watch ya. Close door. Hold on, Mr. Come change my clothes. Close. Watch ya. Wow, there's a wall there, dog. A glass, brother. Them can't put some X on the glass or something. What Chop there? Me just see Chop a while ago. Where Chop there? Chop!
Train your ass to use the John, Chop.
Chop, I'm telling you this now, Chop. You live in a ghetto and you do the same thing. You can't come and say, look there, Chop. See a big steak there, you not eat your steak. And a chicken, that in a dog. You need to eat it, you know, brother. You have all your own little house side of jacuzzi. Weird. Barbecue. Weird. Chuck off in a pole. Load. Yo, load. Yo, excited about my new house. Wanna bad mind me, man. Wanna bad mind me. Wanna bad mind, so I get new house. Thank you, Lester. I'm soon call you. Look how I call you. I say thanks. You see me? Yeah. What going on this, sir? Don't want to drop off down this, you know. Yeah, so when time I get my kids and my family, everybody can have a nice get together out here. So in the summer and everything good, everybody good. You understand? Yeah. Chop. Chop, you just do this a while ago, Chop. Chop, move from side of you, okay? Yeah, let me down, brother. Yeah, let me down, brother. I think say, watch out, 2 staircase. If we go, wait. My house big. See neighbor them there? Hey, neighbors. Neighbor. We don't have no salt over them here, but sugar? We don't have sugar. Aye. Mirror on the block. Mirror on the block. Salt and sugar, mister. Bring it, come. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, guys. I'm just playing, guys. I saw get the people test them neighbor if you see them neighbor bad. But I'm not bad. So I'm me, I go definitely run the city. Anyway. Oh, where you wanna go? Carry, if you ever let me see, me turn up here in a dead ground. Garage, yeah. What me carry there? What me carry there? Wait. What me carry there?
This is too much.
So them a thief people things up here, sir?
See, once you
Them a thief people things up here, sir, then?
let me be your
Alright. But want a car though. Can't come out of bush pan bike. Neighbor, what you car? Neighbor have RD. Neighbor, what your car still? RD. Tell him say me run the city. Mr. Barrett back, me soon bring it back. Hey! Door got neighbor, alright, tell you what. Let me park back a car, I know what I want it. Yeah, we need to fix the door and then we take it back. You see it? Yeah. Me run the city. Me do what I please. Yeah. So I'm gonna check a person over here.
What the hell?
What the hell what? Car, me say. Stop. Hey, don't move now. The more.
Out the car, nigga.
Come out of this. I'm gonna get a haircut. Find a barber. I'm always listen to brother. I'm not listen to the music there, dog. Fast car I have. Put up roof. Take man for. High life man I live now. We're not gonna know about it if we never know before. Spread the word. Franklin is here to stay. Can't get. Oh! We can't drive it through. Ah!
Concentrate!
Oh, me look up there, sir. You know what? Low car. Look. No. Can't go so far. I'm on a carrier. Come out of this baby. Where you go? Where? Sorry, but on your car. Alright, get a new card. Try not to crash it first, not the first corner. Try not to crash it. So people, if you like the video, please leave a like on the video. I also have a wriggle in another one of phone. Me deliberately never go no wriggle in another one there. In the last one of City Patrol 15. Me never go no wriggle in another one there. So me have one another one for honor. For honor. For honor. And the answer from the last wriggle was B. So my ask you to say where does B only come from? Obviously I'm from B. Where does it come from? I can't dog. No must be. Yeah, B only come from B. So the answer is B. B-E-E. Not B as in letter B. B-E-E. B the fly goes. No, that a fly. But yeah, you know what I mean. So I go to next wriggle in another one, yeah. I'm not going to tell you if I near the end or near the middle or what. But I'm going to go to wriggle. Whoa! Big building me there.
Hey, Dave. Thought you were going there.
Move. Honey. Alright, so I go enter one race and see if me can win some races or something with the boss. So let's go over there. The people remember said the credit giveaway is this weekend. So may I give away about $5,000 credit. So about five different thousand. So people, please make sure you go over HOGSEED channel and subscribe to him. Him I go post videos when me now go post like Division and FIFA and them something like that. Him play them thing. Me not really play them thing there. So yeah, film thing that. Just go and support my brother, please guys. Please, me a beg on no. You don't know say them man they are RPG bars, you see me? And for them channel I go have enough video with me and him a collab on it anyway. So I'm gonna do nothing and go over there go show him say yo they have for you see me HOGSEED, you see me? Yeah. Okay, so people, wriggle time. Wriggle time. Whoa! Wriggle time. So, wriggle is pull over. What am I care? Looking at my face, so I ask my wriggle. Curse. Yo, you hear me? Alright, the wriggle is heavy it is, reverse it is not. Okay? Heavy it is, reverse it is not. What am I? Heavy it is, reverse it is not. Please, wanna stop use Google to try and come up with the answer then. Please, man, wanna stop use Google. Wanna just play the little thing fair, no man. Heavy it is, reverse it is not. What is it? Oh! What? What gonna so? Wait, what gonna so?
Somebody stop him!
What him do? Oh, them bike boy, I not see the man thief do man thing. Wanna watch it, man? Yo, everything to man care, brother. What tell about petty thiefness? Oh, what tell about petty thief? Boy, you like petty thief in a boy. Deaf man, come out of this, man.
Hey, you ain't well, homie. Let's get you up out of here.
Come on. Hold on, I'm not done with it. Let me tell you about petty thief. Eh? You have to stop thief.
You're dead!
Stop thief. You won't be thieving nobody things again. On the two thief, boy. Yeah. We don't like you no. Kill me, I kill the whole town when I see you not thief people things. Rampancy. I'm going to get rid of the whole town out of my city. Come on, make me city look bad, pan. Nah, you really crashing at that? Well, I know my car, so I can't crash. Cross the road. Hey. Ladies, your carrier, yeah?
Well, at least it's not completely ruined. Thank you.
You good, lady? Alright, so people, make sure you leave a like on the video, leave a comment if you're new. Let me know. Let me know who sent you. And subscribe around here also if you're new. You understand? And please remember to go over HOGSEED YouTube channel and subscribe to it. The HOGSEED. In Instagram, there as well. So go and follow it. We're going over here now. Oh, motorcycle race. Okay.
I know this course like the back of my hand.
Ready? What them put me on quad for? Me no want it on a quad. Me no want it on a quad, brother. Watch it, man.
See you later.
Watch it.
Relax. You belong.
Wait. Oh gosh. Oh man. Ha! Me no like quad bridging. Quad angle dog. Me no like quad bridging. Ha! Oh man, this is yo. Me no like quad dog. Me no like quad brother. Me come dead. Yo, me come first. Me come first from last. No, no, somebody back at me. Ah, somebody back at me. No, look on the bike, though. I wonder if we can thief him bike. I wonder if we can thief him bike. See them up there, so they're too far and we can do it, you know. Come on, come on, come on. What? Somebody jump up. Here, watch it there. How dare you? How dare you? I try to distract me from the win race. Hey, watch it. Catch him up, you know. Nyam food now. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Don't catch it now. Don't boy food. Where you come from? Nyam boy food. Nyam food again. Nyam food. Nyam food. Nyam food. Nyam food. Nyam food. Nyam food. Watch out. Ah! No. Overcome. Overcome. Ah! No. May I retry that again. May I retry that again. May I retry that again. Them thief me. Them thief me. Them thief me on the line, Bridget. Nyam food now. Nyam food. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Come on. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food. Come on. Wait, man. The pack too dense. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. You can't let them have them bike. Watch it. No, that's a thiefness. That's a thiefness. Nope. Alright, remember what happened last time? Oh god, this not look good. This not look good, brother. Man, them thief me, dog. Other person there back, so HOGSEED. HOGSEED cousin. HOGSEED cousin I raced, man. I'll be back in there. Alright, see them there? Nyam food. Nyam boy food. Nyam boy food now. Watch me now go nyam boy food. Take away your box lunch and eat it, yo. Watch it.
Relax, you where you belong.
Watch it. Excuse me. Coming through. Nyam boy food. Oh, you, what you do this? Hey, yo. I wanna watch it and stop cheer for them eat that boy, you know. I mean, nyam them food. Nyam food. Good night. Nyam food. Come on. Nyam food.
Got him.
Nyam food. Watch it. Ease out. Legal. Not legal. Nyam food. Come on. Nyam food. Nyam food. Nyam food. Nyam food. Nyam food. Watch it. The thief me a while ago. Food me and nyam. Keep it calm. Keep it steady. Nyam food. Let me stop and get phone. Let me stop. Go. Yeah. You see them both on the board them. Jamaica no deal with second. First we deal with. Watch it. Them fool get nyam na. So people, me just smash up one race. Me I go to our next race now. Nyam food. Nyam food.
Man, what the hell is that?
Hold on, people. What gonna wear, sir? Shoot out.
Make it easy on yourself.
Shoot out, gonna wear, sir, people. Watch out. Shoot out. Shoot out.
Get the hell out. We walk.
Me walk and go right here. Alright, what gonna wear, sir?
It's that simple.
Are you
Yo.
trying to get yourself killed? Run.
No, I'm not let myself killed. I'm going to go talk to him.
Great, we got ourselves a slow one. Sir, lead the area.
What a briefcase?
Yeah.
Thank you. $5,000. Take your money. Stay down, youth. Thank you. Police not getting no evidence. Yo, police, you kill the man. You kill the innocent. Oh, the police dead. Oh, officer. I saw it go.
Seal off the area and get a truck down here for these John Does.
Officer, the man them dead. I'm gonna take all them evidence. So I'm not gonna find none. Oh, I saw it here from boy. Okay. Alright. Let me continue going me go. Me just get $10,000. I'm good. Easy as that. Walking a crime scene. Real bad man. Yo, what going?
I just got a full tuna. This thing is gonna fly.
What you say?
Get a race on, pal.
Me enter this. Oh, this look good.
You get in my way, I'll take you out.
This look good. The Franklin that carry a suit, brother. Alright, nyam boy food now. Watch it. Nyam boy food. What? Oh! No! Turn! Oh, no! Why? What? Oh, God. Turn off on the man. Yo, people. Sure. This not fair, dog. This not fair. My food get nyam another one. I'm not telling a lie. My food get nyam another one. Nyam. Them nyam my food. People, them really nyam my food another race, yeah. I joke this. Yo, the first call me turn over. Yo. Alright, let me see if I can catch them back up. Boy! The water running. I was telling him over there, sir. Watch it, rabbit. I'm sorry if I kill you. Never mean for the sir. I race track this. Oh, no. Ease up. Alright, at least I not finish last. Alright, I'm up on the road now. See if I can gain some momentum on the road. Oh, I have road again. That not really too much. Anyway, alright, come. Let's go. Nam food. Brake no man. Oh, them brakes are not good for a carrier. I wish mechanic them go. It's a plumber. Goat, nobody run out on the road or whatever is in a deer. Mass person goat there. As person goat get licked down. Yo! Mass person better go and go give a goat mouth to mouth resuscitation. Death. Run there. Oh no!
Relax, you where you belong.
Wait, my win? No.
The good news is that you have a day job.
Take two.
Let's go. Don't have to read it. Come in, let me want to read it now. Watch it. He's up. Young boy food. Don't turn over. Alright, I'm good. That's them. I'm good. I never turn over. Alright, I'm good. First can never turn me. Don't turn over now, boy. Use your brake. Yam food. Show him off. Good night. Show him off, man. I play dirty. You never know that. You never know that. Huh. Nam boy food like youth. Yo. Watch it, the people and stop. Oh, not cheer for me. Make sure you not cheer for me, you know. Second place me there, you know. Boy food I go get near me, you know. Joke. Slow down and wait for me. Yo, don't let the corner there, you know. And they're too deep, you know. Nyam boy food again, people. Boy gonna beat me, you know. Boy gonna beat me, dog. Boy win, dog. Hey, run there. Boy win, dog. One more corner, you know. Oh, him win. Alright, ready up. Watch it. Nyam boy food. Take the leader from early. Watch it. How the car is so fast? How the car is different from the whole of our car? I'm gonna show you off the road. Where?
Oh, you shit
Watch
me,
it.
right?
Go around there. Don't shoot me off in a boy. Round there. Nyam boy food from early. Nyam boy food. Watch it. Stop sign. Where stop I go? Nyam boy food. Watch it. No. Me come too fast on the center. Yo, the corner you're deep in the dog. What the heck? I come in. Watch it. No. And there, watch it. No, you can't do. No. Let you fight with that. Where? Me not give up. Don't worry, Mr. Me not give up.
Bye now.
You go around to me and see if I come last. I'm pushing off of the hill here. Everybody pass you. Round there. Bye now. Don't cry now. Make sure you don't die now. First.
Yo, girl.
You're rampant.
Real man.
Know me. Know yourself. Money. Give me money on my account. Give me money on my account. $500. Thanks. You're welcome. Give me this stuff. Get a new truck. What you mean? G-Wagon. G-Wagon. Alright, so people, me go down in the city now, but do something with Franklin. So I will see you when I get down in the city. So today we just have some look of fun in the city. You know what I mean? So yeah, so people, thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know what I mean? Oh, the car look goodie? No, nobody want it. Carry 2 come on. Me want it. G-Wagon, G-Wagon. Me wait. G-Wagon, G-Wagon. People, only think I should put a different color on a G-Wagon, eh? Quite nice, you know. Yeah, man, I go crease it up. I go crease it up before me stop. Alright, yeah. I gotta make sure I try to get a vehicle in my yard, you know. I try to make sure I get a vehicle in my yard. Yeah, big man thing. Coming on about the thief it. Boss man, you can't wait, man. Yo, this look bad in the dog like this, you know. That will never, my car look good, dog. And it drive much better now, it's faster too. Yeah, me can't let this a road, brother. Man, I gotta take this dog. Me like it, dog. If you know, you alright? You alright, brother? You good? What you drink? Rum and Red Bull. You drink rum and Red Bull, brother? Yeah, go back in my car. Come on, nobody thief my car now. Don't come and carry your dog. What is this bike car? Why would you have a bike for no reason at all? Oh! People, if you don't like the episode, please leave a like on the video. If you don't enjoy this episode with Franklin, please let me know. So I can continue doing more and more and more and more. You understand? Yeah, really appreciate the love and the support that the channel has been getting. Also, please guys, make sure you go over the HOGSEED Instagram and something over there, so I know everything me run down and try to see it today. Me no Superman. Makes my days to that. Me good. Me carry my car go me yard. Like me say, me don't do nothing and lose a car. Me just spend too much money on it a while ago. Yeah. Plus me win it in the race. So I'm my car rightfully. Me never thief the car. My car this. Yeah. So me carry it on my yard. Watch it. Watch it. Ah! Bike boy, you good? Why you left him bike? Why you left it to me shock? Yo, drama this. Tips him, man. Tips him, man. Huh? I never see that. I couldn't see that. People. No can't cause me feel that driving there. I couldn't see that one day. Watch it. Yo, that carrier angle much more better now because obviously we put some upgrade on it and thing. Brakes nice. Carrier look good. If you don't want me to change the color, let me know in the comment section and tell me which color you think look better on it, so I can go put on. You not work or what? You not work? On a work or what? Can't sit down on people job a smoke, brother. Yo. Where you jump off a wall for do?
I think you got hands on dog.
Move! Move! We jump off a wall for do. Eh? But you go back, go sit down, you know. Yeah, go dead. You're not afraid of God. Hey! Come again. Make you one more punch.
Gonna be a blast.
Come on. Yeah. 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 Police, I'm here come after. Police. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, police. No, police. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Stupid police. Police, don't do that. No, what me now go do? Police. No, do nothing stupid, police. No, do nothing stupid. We just beg you, no, do nothing stupid, police. Just leave me alone, man. Come out of my yard. Private property. Private property. You know, come off of this. Private property. You know, no warrant. No warrant there. No warrant there. No warrant there. No warrant there. You're doing that, sir. Where your warrant there? Where your warrant? Where your warrant? Where your warrant? Come out of my yard, man. You're gonna dirty car out here.
Piece of garbage. I'll kill you.
Where?
Cover me, alright?
Where? If I run by inside, look, I'm gonna kill you. Wait. You're not ready for yet, man. Take a car to my garage, man. Take a car out here. Take a car out here. I don't want it in my yard. Don't dirty car out of my yard, man. So people, this is where I'm going to end the episode. I carry my car got my yard. Hopefully it's still there. I guess you will find out in the next episode. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like on the video. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to let you know when time we post a video over here. So, and also please go and support HOGSEED by subscribing to his page. His link is in the description of his Instagram bio. The man has let me down a while ago, but I'm gonna make him leave. What you say, dog? You good? How about this?
Give me that thing right
Oh, it's a girl. Alright, sorry. Two man. Alright, I'm sorry. Sorry. Take on the car. I'm sorry. I never mean to do that. Where you do, Where you do, boy? Go on. Move, man. Left hand, me a go. Don't video it. Don't video it. Because I already did the rule. Anyway, people, I will see you in the next video. Peace.